Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to make your Spotify sound really good, like how the artists sing it. Now, to make your Spotify sound really good, what you do is to click on your profile like this here. Now here you can see settings and privacy. Now click on this settings and privacy here. Now here what you do is to slide down here and click on media quality here. Now here follow every step I show you here. Now here you can see here in Wi-Fi streaming quality. Now here what you do now is make sure this is in high. Also here in secular streaming quality, make sure it is in high like this. Also here, if you find a lossless feature, just what you do is to select it here. Now here also, you can also here on video streaming, make sure it's in high like this. Now here also here in secular streaming quality, make sure it's in high like this. Now here go back like this by clicking this back facing arrow icon here. Now here what you do now is to click on this playback here. Now here slide until you reach here this equalizer, click on it like this. Now here click on OK. Now here it will bring you here. Now what you do now here is to set it on like this. You can see here. Now here you can see it is normal. You can see here, but to make it good, more good, make sure it's in here. Now here to make it sound more good, what you do is to change it to FX booster like this. Click on it like this. You can see here. And here what you do now is to go back like this. You can see. Now here your music quality will change automatically to sound more pleasing in any device you play it on or while playing it on your device. Now here also you can see crossfix. Now here slide up to reach crossfix. Now here set your crossfix, which means how you want the music to switch, like how you want it to switch to another music, like here. You can see how I set it. Now here it will switch as if it was DJ is changing it. You see here. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.